Webster's Dictionary defines the word bargain to mean bought or offered for sale more cheaply than usual or expected. WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet in downtown Chipley, Florida is now offering bargains galore and the lowest prices of the season, with 60% off clearance items and 30% off everything else in the store, Saturday, November 2nd through Monday, November 4th, 2019. Allowing you to get ready for the colder weather and freshen your home with bright, clean colors and patterns. From sheets and pillowcases to shams, comforters, and blankets and throws, it's now easier and more affordable than ever to give your home a bright new look. With new products arriving daily, if you haven't shopped WestPoint Home lately, well, you haven't shopped WestPoint Home. So enjoy great name brands like Southern Tide, Izod, Velux, Martex, and many, many more. All at the lowest prices of the season at WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlets, 60% off clearance items and 30% off everything else in the store. Saturday, November 2nd through Monday, November 4th, 2019 on Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. Now open 7 days a week, it's WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet.